It's hot, it's humid. You already know I'm taking a scrunchie because it's probably gonna end up. Good morning, guys. I'm officially starting this vlog. I got my workout in this morning. We got a little bit of a late start because yesterday we ended up hanging out with some friends for a while, so we went to bed kind of later, which is fine. We had such a good time. So late mornings happen sometimes, but that's okay. So got my workout done. My cup of coffee is cooling off. Noah's about to go down for a nap in probably, I'm trying to see what time it is, 45 minutes. So I'm gonna come in his room and pull some of his clothes that he's outgrown. So I need to do laundry today. I need to vacuum the house today. I might mop the floors, I don't know. But we're just gonna like hang at home, have a relaxed day. It's Monday, 4th of July is tomorrow. Super exciting. I don't think we're gonna do anything for the 4th though. I don't know if we're gonna do fireworks or anything like that. I haven't decided yet, but I'm glad you came over to hang out. Let's get some stuff done. Sun's coming out. It's really hard to see, but for me, it's easy to see. Sun's coming out. So let's go hang some clothes on the laundry line. There's something so satisfying about having clothes on the line. It's one of my favorite things, you guys. Oh, I love it so much. What are you doing?
I think anyway.
Really?
Everything?
Yeah. Did I have a bunch of clean clothes in that basket?
Yes.
Yes. I guess it's okay. You can sit there. Can you blow me a kiss? Mwah. Blow me a kiss. Beautiful girl. Mwah. Mwah. I love you. Say love you. Can you say love you? Noah. Hi, Baba. Hi, Baba. I love you. Having fun. Yes. Did you get tired of walking? Yes. You were so sweet. You singing a song? Sing your song. Sing me a song. Sing Twinkle Twinkle. Twinkle Twinkle. Yeah. Yeah. Uh-huh. That walk wore her out. I was hoping it would, and it seems like it did. Hopefully she takes a good nap. I don't know if that walk wore her out. I hope it did, but it definitely wore me out. It was so hot. I'm glad that I didn't shower after my workout this morning because that walk definitely did me in. So I'm gonna shower really quick and then I'm gonna go get the laundry switched over, get that folded. I just had some lunch. We had some leftover pizza because this is real life. And even though I did a workout and went for a walk this morning, I still had pizza for lunch because that's what we had and that's what I was making in a hurry. So don't ever feel bad for living your life. Eat the pizza, it's fine. Hey guys, I just got out of the shower. I needed to take one after that walk. We normally go around the neighborhood, but our friends were going to a trail that is close by and we tagged along. So we went on the trail. It was the first time doing that, so that was super fun. And it was nice to like change it up for Holly so we weren't just walking through the neighborhood like we normally do. So it was so fun. We met a few of our friends there actually. So we all walked for a while. It was pretty hot, so I was melting. Jean short overall situation was not the best choice, but Holly also got tired, so I ended up carrying her on my shoulders and it was so sweet. She had so much fun though. So she's having some quiet time in her room. She's probably not going to take a nap. She is a no nap Nancy anymore, but I just took a shower because I was so gross. It was so hot outside, so I'm glad that I didn't take one after my workout and I waited. So now that I'm all clean, I think I need to head back outside, grab the laundry, get that folded, and then I'll probably just spend some one-on-one time with Noah while she is having her quiet time. I like to make sure that each kid gets like some independent playtime with me each day, just a little bit. So I am dividing my attention between the two of them. So I'm gonna go grab laundry, play with Noah for a while Holly's having her quiet time. Come here. Come on.
Watching Dinosaur Train? Is there a dinosaur?
today just got a whole lot more fun. Anthony was able to take the night off because of when his start time is for his workday. it was past their cutoff for the holiday. So he was able to take the day off. So we're gonna go see fireworks, and I'm so excited because we've only done this one other time, and that was when we got engaged 7 years ago. I want to say 7 years ago. So super excited, and now we have the kids, and I think Holly's gonna love it, and it's just gonna be a great day. So I'm getting their outfits out, and I'm not sure what I'm gonna put Holly in, but I do have Noah's picked out. So I was picking out shoes for Holly to go with this little outfit, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna grab these little sandals. They're so sweet. I was like, wait a second. What kind of mom would I be if we did not bring light up shoes to a fireworks show? And I mean, come on, really? She's gonna have so much stinking fun tonight walking when it gets dark, watching her feet light up in rainbows. Forget it. She's gonna have the time of her life tonight. Okay, we're leaving in about an hour. It's 7 o'clock. We are following some of our friends. They also live in our neighborhood, so we're just gonna follow them and park with them. But I've got the diaper bag, a little cooler with some snacks, and some bottles and formula for the kiddos. This is my little like purse and sunglasses. And then this is a big like picnic blanket. I've got some water bottles, a big one so I can refill Holly's if I need to, a real light blanket, her little harness, some bug clips. I brought a sweatshirt for myself, and there's bug spray in there too. We're gonna take their double stroller, which Noah's car seat actually sits in, so he will sleep, I'm sure, most of the night. Oh my goodness. He will sleep, I'm sure, most of the night. So I wanna do something. Not a whole lot. I showered earlier, so now I gotta start all over. Okay, let's do a fun YouTube thing. So here I am. Bye! Ta-da. I'm not gonna curl my hair or anything. It's hot, it's humid. You already know I'm taking a scrunchie because it's probably gonna end up. But I did put a cute little, I can't see it, but you can probably see it, a little bobby pin in. So I'm so excited. We never go out, and this is like such a treat for us to go out as a family. This is what I'm going to wear. My overalls that I had on earlier with this white bodysuit. I'm gonna wear some sandals, and then I just put my hair in a ponytail because y'all, is hot. Look how pretty this girl is. Come here and let me see how pretty you are. Let me see your shoes. She's real excited. I know it doesn't look like it. She's really excited. That was pretty. Wow.